So hello people, welcome to Space Edge Pro. This is the first video in a series of 3 videos which will be uploaded on our YouTube channel over the next 1 month. It will be like surprise content, so we did not put up any trailer, there was no trailer, no description about what is going to happen, and it's all surprise. So in today's video, we'll look at a very nice website. So generally, there are these big websites which are known by a lot of people in India and outside India, from where you can study and get support notes, mock tests, and can prepare well. Basically, we are going to show you a website in this video which is related to academics. Okay, not for people who are interested in chemistry and just reading. So it's based on chemistry. So today we'll show you a very nice website which is slowly gaining popularity on internet, and it's still the top result on Google, on Microsoft Bing, on YouTube, everywhere. They have a channel, they have a dedicated YouTube channel, they have merch, they have notes, they have mock tests, they have video solutions, or basically video explanation of concepts. They provide you Google form based results, certificates, and a lot more. So let's explore today. This website is called Gurukul Classes. You can see these tabs open here, but we'll see the result. Okay, we'll type. You have to go to your search engine, and well, by the way, this is Edge, Microsoft Edge, not Google Chrome. So we'll type Gurukul Classes here. So this is first, this is second result. On Microsoft Bing is second result, and because this is an advertisement, see, so it should be first. And on Google Chrome it's the top result. So online teaching Gurukul Classes. Welcome to the website, people. So here is this very unique website developed by someone in India, and so here it asks for subscribe for updates. So today we'll explore this website in detail in this video, and stay tuned till the end for more updates on what will be coming next on the channel. So here you can see solve the free mock test and get a beautiful certificate. So this is the certificate I was talking about. Just log in by your Gmail or Facebook account. Fastest growing website in India. It's true. Like it's just a few months old, and it has gone to top Google and Microsoft Bing result. That's a really nice achievement. Okay. So this is how the home page of the website looks like. Pretty interesting. A white background, and it's made in India, people. This is I'm by an Indian teacher who is revolutionizing the education system. So here is this nice website. These are the people. Okay, so Dr. Vikas Yadav came up with this nice idea of coming up with this website. Then we have Ms. Shilpi Srivastava, Mr. Asit Srivastava, and Ms. Surabhi Mukherjee. So they manage the website. Then we have a lot of features here. You can explore it yourself. Okay, a lot of things are free here, though there are some things for which you will need to pay a little bit. Akansha Sharma. These are the reviews of the website, and these are some additional features you can see here. So we'll quickly move down, and as you can see, I told you it's an academic based website. Our series will be based on academic websites, so it's class 9th, class 10th, class 11th, 12th, everything is there. I would like you all to come and explore it yourself as well once. Okay, I'll provide the link in the description. So here you can contact if you have any issue regarding the website. Now let's quickly go to how this came into existence. Here is the about section. Hi, I am Dr. Vikas Yadav. So here sir is explaining why he came up with this website, who is, what are his qualifications, what are, like, where he is currently, in which city, he has a doctorate in organic chemistry, and he is literally amazing in organic chemistry. You can put up any question in that doubt section, and with the word doubt there comes another thing into our mind, which, suppose you are giving, or you are reading notes, or you are basically, I must say, yes, you are giving a test, a mock test, or solving the question bank, and you encounter some problem and you are not able to understand the concept. See this, go to this, let's chat. So here you can just type in your message, your email ID will be recorded, and either sir will directly respond to you, okay, here only, or if he's not available, after some time when he sees the message, he can respond you through via email address. So your email address will be taken from this, okay. So make it sure that you are signed in with your Google account while you are viewing the website. So these are all those everything about sir. See a lot of research paper and CSI are sponsored international conference on chemistry and frontiers challenges. So sir has done a lot of work in field of chemistry over past years. So you can trust the website quite well. Now let's move to the second part, study materials. It's asking us to log in, which I won't do in this video. So people, for study materials you need to come and explore yourself, but I'll see if we can just see these are the things available. NCRT books, CBSE class 11 science. So these are basically notes. You get notes of subjects. CBSE, ICSE, class 11th chemistry, 12th chemistry. Let's go to 11th chemistry. Let's see whether we can go there. Yes, we can go there. That's quite interesting. Okay, so here you get the daily practice sheets. So I told you the website is a few months old and it's still in its developmental stage. So you can see there is no DPP for structure of atom, but that's totally fine because I think within few months this will be a very well developed website. And keeping boards as a priority, I think they have developed the class 12th part quite well. See, you can, if you want to study, say let's say you have read the NCRT for solid state, you have to read the NCRT. After that you want to revise, so you can go to solid state, you can check the notes, then solve the DPPs, these are the daily practice papers, and then get the answer sheet. So it's a really nice platform here. And then he has explained what the chapter means, what it deals with, how are the questions, like how are the marking scheme in board examinations. So this part is more focused on the board examinations, but in the DPPs the questions will be from basic level to the advanced level. So it can touch JEE mains, and few questions can even touch the JEE advanced level. Okay, this is the mock test. Mock test is a very interesting feature of this website. Let's say I want to go to chemistry class 11th. Let's go to class 12th or 10th. We have seen 11th, 12th. Now let's go to class 10th. Okay, these are some important links here. Here are, can you see the number? And seriously, for every chapter there are at least 9 to 10. And you see special. This has something really special in them. Okay, so I won't give a spoiler. You have to go and explore it yourself. So this is mock test 1, mock test 2, mock test 3, mock test 4, 5, 6. Tons of mock tests, I mean. So let's choose mock test 7. So the moment you click on the mock test, you will get this Google Forms. Okay, so suppose I fill all the details and come to the last, you have to answer the question, then submit it. Okay, you will get your results, your score there and then only, and if you score 100%, you will get a certificate from sir on your email address which you provided here. You will have to provide an email address here. Okay, so you will get a certificate from the organization. Okay, then there are video lectures. We'll come back to video lectures in just a minute. Then see this, these are CBSE books. Let's go and explore what are CBSE books. So this is chapter wise NCRT only, basically it's NCRT. You can get these from the link as well, from ncrt.tic.in, or you can just come here, whichever chapter you want you can click. So here let's go to shop. This part you need to pay for things which are in this part. So these are basically solutions. Okay, and the price is very nominal, 40 rupees, 80 rupees, 35 rupees, 70 rupees. Okay, so these are the basically solutions of class 10 solutions, class 9 solutions, NCRT solutions. Okay, the one without watermark is a bit expensive. One with like one that does not have watermark is a bit affordable. Okay, so for people who want the book at lower price, they can go purchase with watermark, and those who don't need a watermark, they can go for without watermark. And this is the only part that's monetized on the website. Now let's see what is there in video lectures. These are the parts you can explore. Well, I'll show you where the video lectures lead you to. Okay, so these are basically the videos you have seen this. So he has arranged them, all the videos, in a very elaborate manner over here. So you can either come here and see the videos yourself, like so you have a confusion in, let's say, a chapter of basics of mole concept. So you can click here. It will lead you to the video on YouTube. I told you in the starting only that sir has a dedicated YouTube channel for concepts of chemistry. Okay, so let's see that channel. Here it's the top result channel on YouTube, Guru Cool Classes. As you can see, let's click. I have not subscribed because there is no account signed in. So yes, this is the channel. It has a lot of videos. Okay, see, some are based on biology, class 10th, and on there are the remaining videos are from chemistry of class 11. There are few videos of economics. Okay, see, but the majority of videos on the channel are from chemistry. So I'll provide the link of channel as well in the description. Make sure to subscribe, and if you like his work, then like the videos, view them. And the videos are always short videos, 12 minutes, 8 minutes, so that you grasp the concept well, and at the same time you don't feel bored with, because the sessions are not too long. Let's go with one video. Let's see what is there. This is the latest video, mechanism and dehydration of alcohols. So here the video begins.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं डॉक्टर विकास
So
यादव फ्रॉम
I told you
गुरुकुल
the
क्लासेस.
I told you the website, the channel, everything is pretty new. It's not a lot old. So you are seeing the whiteboard here. But if the channel progresses, I'm sure that it will soon be replaced by a smart board. And yeah, we are not sponsored by the website to make a video like that. Okay.
आई होप आप सभी केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर्स जो हैं वो एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे, और मेरी वेबसाइट पर
Videos
बहुत
are in
सारे
Hindi.
विजिटर्स जो आकर हैं वो
You
मॉक
have
टेस्ट
to
देते हैं.
just
आप सभी लोग भी वहां पर आकर
keep it in
मॉक टेस्ट
mind
दे
that
सकते
videos
हैं.
are in
माई
Hindi. So
वेबसाइट इज
English
डब्ल्यू
users
डब्ल्यू
can
डब्ल्यू डॉट
use
गुरुकुल
notes. Okay.
क्लासेस. काफ़ी होता है, सफिशिएंट होता है. तो इस तरह से देखेंगे जो हमारे
Okay. So this was the channel. I showed you the channel. You can yourself explore the channel very well. And with this, we come to the end of this video. I want to keep it not too large so that no one watches it. Okay. So to maintain a good viewership rate and viewership time, I request you all to explore the website, explore the channel. It is very beneficial for you, and I told you if you watch till end you will get to know what is coming up next in the next video. So in next video we'll cover a website that is not famous enough, not too famous right now, but it's slowly growing and gaining popularity on internet, and it's related to mathematics. So next time we'll cover mathematics. Thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up button. If you did not like this video, you can dislike it. Comment if you have any problem or any feedback for the video, and do subscribe and share. Thank you.